Hello guys, welcome to Geek. Today our topic is how you can create and use macros in MS Excel. If you have not already subscribed our channel, please like our videos and subscribe Computer Geeks for more learning. Guys, most of the time when you fetch data from databases about any account sheets, ledgers, sales sheets and biometric attendances, the data is not in sorted form. You mostly apply some sort of formations and features to format a Excel sheet so that you can print and present that sheet into proper way. For this purpose, the Excel have amazing option which is macros. In macros, each and every step which you do on Excel sheets is recorded. Multiple steps have been recorded in macros and you can reapply as many times on any other sheet or data. So I have random sample sheet which is sales sheet for your learning. So first of all you need to insert macros. Go into options, then customize ribbons. Oh, this is developer option. You need to click on it. Okay. Now in developer tab I have option record macros. This is the main option to record macros. I am going to create a series of steps in one macro so that I can reapply or reuse these steps in one simple click or command. So I will first start the recording of macros. Name of macro, sale sheet, you can set any command control M suppose on this workbook for whole workbook. Then description, this macro options. Detail about this macro. Now the name of macro is sales sheet macro. Okay. Now recording has been started. Now I want to apply some tools. Suppose I will create a header. This is date, zone. This is zone of my sales sheet. Name of seller. Then item, quantity, price per item. Then is total amount. Now I have added heading row here. I will apply some more tools. To format this sheet in proper way so that I can present to my boss or senior. Now this is I want to some sort of alignment. Now this is a sheet. Each step have been recorded in. Now These are the quantity, price in suppose dollars, amount is also in dollars. Suppose I want to add filters. I want to check the maximum sale here. Sort largest to small. Now the top sellers are on above of the list. Suppose I want to add total sale. Sum. Sorry for mistyping. Sum of this amount. Now this is a complete sale. Now all steps have been recorded in macros. I want to select the quantity in bold to now this is a complete sheet which is formatted. I can take a print or send to my boss. Now all these steps have been recorded in macros. Now you need to do just stop recording. Now I need to check. Now this is a macros which I have recently created. You can check the code of this macro. This is a complete VB code of my macro. You can check each and every step have been coded here. This is a name. This is a comma. You can create more comments like with simple comma. Now row options. This is these are the actions. Now with selections and with each step have been and with this specific code. Now the selection have been performed and then again selection and borders applied. I have bordered the whole sheet, then borders. Now each and every step have been coded here. You can write comments for your ease. Now I am going to close the macro. Now if I have another sheet which is this one fetched from software or database and I want to apply all those steps which we have been created like dozens of steps, you need to apply macro. Now this is a macro selected. You can add multiple macros here. Now click run to add all those steps which we have been recorded on this unsorted and unformatted sheet. Now you can see all the steps have been done and our total also included. Now you can see in one simple command, in one simple click, all the steps have been performed which you have already created. In this way you can easily create macros, edit macros and apply macros for your ease. Thanks guys for watching and learning.